Princess Amaya. I am here to share the most beautiful things with you. Friends, today is a very beautiful day. The sparkling chimes garden is beautiful today. It really is, Princess Amaya. Friends there? That's a monkey. They can jump from tree to tree and move quickly. Friends, like these flowers, you are also very fragrant and kind. Look at that! How beautiful the galaxy is! Look how fast a comet is falling! My friend, until we meet again, stay happy!